Hello and welcome to Ikasan Online Tutorials. My name is Michael Stewart and I'm a core developer on the Ikasan Enterprise Integration Platform and the Ikasan Enterprise Scheduler Platform. Today we're going to be having a quick look at the REST services that are exposed by the Ikasan dashboard. So in the right hand top corner here of the Ikasan dashboard, there's a code icon here. So if I click into that, that takes me through to the Swagger interface that's been bootstrapped as part of this dashboard distribution. You can see here that there's a number of services that are exposed here. All of these controllers here represent groupings of REST services that have been exposed as part of the dashboard. We've got two contexts up here. We've got the dashboard context, which are general services that are exposed to provide the features for the integration aspects of the Ikasan platform. I can also select the job orchestration spec, and they provide the services that primarily are involved with the scheduler aspects of the Ikasan platform, so the enterprise scheduler platform. So let's have a look what Swagger gives us. So as you can see, we've got the high-level controllers, which are the groupings of REST services. And underneath each of these, we have a bunch of REST services exposed in each controller. I'm going to click into the authentication controller just to demonstrate how we can use one of these services via Swagger. As you can see here, we get further details of our particular REST service that's exposed on this URL or this context path, which is /authenticate. And you can see here it's expecting a payload of data, which is a username and password. So let's try this out. So you can come in and you can edit this particular payload. I'm going to put in the default admin username and password and hit execute, and you can see that we've received a response of 200 back. So it's successfully executed the REST service on the dashboard, and it's returned us a token, which is a JWT token that is subsequently put into the header and used for any requests back and forward between the dashboard and an agent, or the dashboard and an integration module, for example, or if anybody wanted to use these REST services exposed by the dashboard for any other purposes. So that's an example of using. Well, let's have a look at another one. We've also got the user one over here, which I think's got some get commands on it. So let's say get user. If I wanted to find out some information about a specific user via the service exposed, I can put in our username. So once again, I'll put in our admin username. And you can see there that it's returned me a JSON document that represents all of the details of that particular user. So the username, what other policies and principles are associated with it, and so on. So the Swagger interfaces are a very useful way to be able to explore the services that are exposed within the Ikasan dashboard. So hopefully you found that tutorial useful, and we'll be seeing you in the next one. Well, thank you very much for tuning in to Ikasan Online Tutorials. If you'd like further information on the Ikasan Enterprise Integration Platform, go to github.com/ikasaneip. That's lowercase ikasan uppercase EIP. All the links will be in the descriptions of the videos associated with the Ikasan Online Tutorials. And if you've liked what you've seen today, please subscribe to the Ikasan Online Tutorial YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.